Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Art Adventures. So today I'm gonna go ahead and get a Dr. Seuss drawing done of the Cat in the Hat. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Art Adventures. So today we're gonna go ahead and get a Cat in a Hat drawing done. First thing I wanna do is draw the brim of my hat towards the top, okay? But not too close, because you got to give yourself a little bit of room to do the hat. Now, this is not going to be a crazy tall hat like the actual book. It's going to be more of a compact hat. And so basically I'm going to start on this left side. I'm going to go pretty close to the top, do like a parenthesis line. And then I'm going to go over, but kind of at an angle down. And once I get it at an angle down, I'm going to wrap it around. And then I'm going to do like a 3. Okay, and then another line that kind of connects it towards the end. You don't touch the actual tip of the brim. Same thing here, you don't touch the tip of the brim because you want it to look like it's crinkled and bent a little bit. Alrighty, so now we're gonna go ahead and start drawing the face. We're gonna draw a line out like this and a line out like this. And then this is going to not just curve, but it's going to curve in, doing some hair, kind of like that. We're not going to connect this yet. You'll see why in a second. We are going to draw a circle and then a big bow and a big bow on that side. Draw a little curved line like that, little curved line like that. And now you can go ahead and connect it. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna kind of follow this line and follow this line, and it's going to touch our bow. It can be a little bit on the squiggly side here, and then same thing here. And it just kind of shows you kind of like a little bit of fur. Now we're gonna find the center. And in the center, we're gonna draw a little black upside down triangle. Next to that, we're gonna draw 2 ends like this, and then give them a little bit of eyelash. You're going to take your smiley face, and then between the nose, eye, and smiley face, you are going to draw 3 little dots like that. Once you're done with your 3 dots, go on the side and you're gonna draw 2 whiskers. 2 whiskers. You wanna do 3, that's fine, that's no problem. And then find that little opening and you can draw your ears, your triangles, and a little triangle on the inside as well. And then just to finish this off, draw your little eyebrows. And there's your Cat in a Hat face. Now, this hat, some people just kind of put as many stripes as possible. Looking at the actual illustration from the book, you have 3 red stripes and 2 white stripes. So I am trying my absolute best to cut it proportionately, where I have 3 red and 2 white. So I'd like to start bottom, then do the top, and then kind of find the middle and kind of split that into 3 different pieces. Alrighty, and this is gonna be kind of like the same body that we did for all of our Chibi characters in the fall for our fall drawing series, which was like Scarecrow, a black cat, things like that, the Frankenstein, the vampire, so on and so forth. So we're gonna do that, follow that body, whoops. You're gonna go up a little bit, and then a little U shape, like a smiley face right there. And then you're gonna go to this side of the bow and then this side of the bow and do 2 lines like this. And then I want to do say a little U right there, and that's gonna give me a basis on where to start and finish. Just like that. Go to the corner, draw a hook like a big J. Same thing, a hook like a big J. And then we're just gonna do a simple curve line, and that's gonna be our white hands, and then everything else will be the black side. Last thing, we're gonna draw a little curve line like this, and then we're gonna bring it up and curve it over. That's gonna be our tail, but we have to curve it around. And then follow that line to the best of your ability. Doesn't have to be perfect. And there you go. There you have drawn Cat in a Hat. Now, I always like to give myself a geometric shape, and we've been doing this little rectangle thing. On this one, I just wanna do something that's gonna enhance the red here. So I'm just gonna focus on the red pieces, which are your bow and your hat. So I'm gonna do a big oval around that, just so that really enhances it. I'm gonna go ahead and do a green background as I got my colors here from my Crayola set, and then we're gonna get this colored. I'm gonna go ahead and get this started. See you guys in a second. I'm gonna fast forward and let you guys see how I color the Cat in a Hat. All right guys, so before I finish coloring this, I made one little mistake. I forgot to do my detail in my hat. That gives it really that Dr. Seuss look, which are the lines that he does to kind of show the bending, and that's kind of his way of, I guess, just kind of illustrating. So the really distinct lines to kind of follow his way of art. So that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of this colored. All right guys, well there you go. There is your Cat in a Hat that we colored. We drew it with our Sharpies and colored it with the Crayola set that I have. I have the 64 set crayon pack, and it's a class size, so there's a ton of different colors. I basically just used two reds, a gray, a black, and then a lighter gray for the shadows in the white. But other than that, I mean, very basic, very simple drawings, not crazy detailed. I am going to be doing another one that is a little bit more detailed than this, so be on the lookout for that if you want something a little bit more challenging. But I also have a couple other ones coming up. I got a nice little surprise for you guys with some Among Us stuff coming up. We haven't done that in a while. So anyways, I'm out. I'll see you guys later. Peace.